Hi, Jane.
Hi, Alisa.
Hi. Do you
Hi.
have a few minutes to talk to me?
Yes, of course.
I see you have very beautiful boxes on your table.
Yeah, you mean this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Would you please tell me what they are?
Yes, this is the gift from WEITAI Hydraulic for the special for the Mid-Autumn Festival. So you have one, right?
Ah, right. I saw it, but I was not sure what it is. Can you please tell me what is Mid-Autumn Festival? Because we don't know this holiday.
Oh, I see. So for the Mid-Autumn Festival, it is, for the second most important festival for Chinese. So, the first one is Spring Festival. So this is the biggest festival in the whole year. So everyone is going to get together with their family and to celebrate for a whole year. It's just like the Christmas. Why for the Mid-Autumn Festival, it's just the second important festival. We can start. It is start from a tale, a beautiful tale in the traditional Chinese, which is Chang'e and Hou Yi's love story. So for this festival, it means for the missing family and also for the harvesters since it is in the autumn, and so this is really traditional. So this is really a traditional festival for each Chinese.
And do you have any traditional presents? Like what is in the box?
Oh, the most, the normally in the Mid-Autumn Festival, every family will be get together and to have, for the traditional food like the dumplings, that, and the special food for this festival is the Mid-Autumn Mooncake. So for this package is for the Mooncake, and we can open it to see what it looks like.
It's very curious.
Yeah, you can see for this box is really beautiful, and this design is from the imagination for the universe. So I think this is a really special idea for this Mooncake, and we can open it and say that there's 8 with different taste for this Mooncake, and we can open it. How about we open this?
Oh, yes,
I think it is so cool. And you can say for this Mooncake, you can say there's really traditional taste in China's Mooncake, because it is it has the peanut and also for the other nuts, and sometimes we call it 五仁月饼, which is 五仁 Mooncake. It's really famous in China. So when we after the dinner on that day, and the whole family is going to take this Mooncake, and we can share it with some tea, and that will be really how to say unforgettable time for the family. So this is really special food for this festival.
Can you make mooncakes?
I cannot, but my mom and my grandma can, and they use the flourish and also for the peanut and other nuts, and to make it. It's really not so complicated, but we can make the simple one. Why now every people is busy with their work, so they have no time to make that. So we usually buy this one. But if you are in WEITAI Hydraulic, that you can receive a really delicious mooncake every year. So I think this is a really great thing.
That's great. Do you have your favorite mooncake, or the flavor you like the most?
How to say, I haven't the most favorite one. I appreciate the mooncake with eggs. That will be, sometimes it's a little salty, but it is delicious. So this is my favorite. And also there will be some pork. I like that taste. So it's really weird, but I like it.
Yes, for us foreigners, these flavors are pretty weird.
Yeah, so we cannot wait to take this mooncake with our families.
Yeah. Do you want to say something to your customers? It's not their holiday, but why not to share this wonderful event together?
Yes. So I would like to say that for the Mid-Autumn Festival, it's just a great festival for each of Chinese, and also we would like to get together with our family. So we also hope that my customer, each of you, can have the same feeling with us, and to celebrate this festival together. And also we are going to get back to our work and get back to you soon. So this is our promise. Yes.
Yeah, but to get back to work.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
See you next time. Bye bye.